Today I'm going to show you how we created our prototype for our AI scheduling agent to help simplify house viewing bookings for real estate agents. The automation workflow we used was n8n, and if you haven't heard of n8n, this is a powerful and flexible open source workflow automation platform. It's designed to allow you to connect with various apps, services, and databases together to automate repetitive tasks and streamline workflows. Essentially how our prototype works is a client will go onto a real estate agent's website and communicate with the AI agent on Telegram chat widget through text or through voice note. This will trigger the Bloom AI agent, and this manages the entire booking process and connects all the components together. Now I'm going to show you how the workflow automation works, so grab a wee cup of tea and let's get into it. So I made an example website for this tutorial, so just imagine that I'm a client looking to view a house. The Telegram chat widget will automatically pop up and ask if you would like to schedule a viewing. For example, we use McGowan's, which is a real estate agents in Belfast. So we'd say, hi there, welcome to McGowan's Real Estate Agents. What house would you like to view? We can schedule a viewing for you through Telegram. Let's talk. So the client will click on Telegram. So let's test the automation workflow and ask the real estate AI agent what houses are available. What houses are available? And if you look at n8n, at the automation workflow, the Telegram has triggered the AI agent and it has gone through the components. So the first component it went to was the OpenAI chat model, which is the LLM, which acts as our brain and it understands clients' text voice requests for viewings. Then it went to the Windows buffer memory and it stores clients' requests. And then the HTTP request, this scripts the website of the real estate agents and can check what houses are available to view. So if we look back at the Telegram chat, it gives us a list of houses that are available on the website. So the Telegram chat has also asked specifically for the name, phone number, email address, and the preferred date and time for viewing. This is so we can update the CRM, we can update calendars, we can send confirmation emails for the viewings. So let's try and book in a house viewing for 12 Hillside Drive for tomorrow at 12 p.m. The name is John Smith. Smith at gmail.com. I just used an example email address and an example telephone number. So let's test this out. And again, if we look at the n8n workflow, it's processing through the OpenAI chat model. It's checking the calendar now. It's also used the Think tool. And the Think tool is very important because this helps refine the scheduling workflow by thinking, guaranteeing correct information is being automated. Basically just stops and thinks for a second to ensure everything is correct. And if you look at the message here, it says your viewing for 12 Hillside Drive is confirmed for tomorrow, the 15th of May 2025 from 12 to 12:15. I've prompted that for 15 minutes for viewing, so there's no double bookings. A confirmation email has been sent to johnsmith@gmail.com. If you need any further assistance, feel free to ask. So if we look at our workflow, it says it's sent an email confirmation, it's updated and added to the calendar, and it's updated the CRM. So let's check it out. So we can see that the email has been automated to John Smith. It says, Dear John Smith, we are pleased to confirm your property viewing appointment at 12 Hillside Drive on the 15th of May 2025 from 12 to 12:15. Should you have any questions or require further assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for choosing McGowan's Real Estate. Best regards, McGowan's Real Estate. And if we look at the calendar to check if it's updated in the calendar, as we can see, it has been updated for tomorrow at 12 p.m. for John Smith. And if we check the CRM, which we're using Google Sheets, you can see that the name and his email address and his number has been added to the CRM. And the good thing about CRM is it centralizes and manages customer data and tracks interactions for real estate agents. Another key feature for this AI scheduling agent is voice notes. We can send voice notes to the AI agent, book in viewings as well, or cancel requests. So let's test the workflow here and just say, hello, can I actually cancel my viewing for tomorrow? Again, if you look at here, you can see that it's went through transcribe through OpenAI and it's went to the AI agent. Yes, my name is John Smith and the property was 12 Hillside Drive for tomorrow. So the response was, your viewing appointment for 12 Hillside Drive, scheduled for tomorrow at 12, has been successfully cancelled. If you need to book another viewing or have any questions, please let me know. So let's check the calendar to see if it's cleared. So you can see on the calendar that it's been successfully cleared. So when I was creating the n8n automation workflow, I had to create some prompts. So if you go into the Bloom AI Tools agent, I created the main prompts within this agent. So if you look, I created the overview, which is you're an AI scheduling agent for McGoon's Real Estate. We just used McGoon's Real Estate as an example, but if we were working with different real estate agents, we could change the prompt to suit each agent. And then if you scroll down, I've given it tools. So that was the email agent, the calendar agent, the Think tool, the HTTP request, and the Google Sheets CRM. I'm just giving them tasks just to remember the things that they need to do, and then important things to remember, and then some rules. So as we previously said, we're using OpenAI chat model, which is the LLM, which is acting as the brain. To connect this to the AI agent, we had to use an API key from the OpenAI account, and that's how you connect it to the automation workflow. And then the same when we're using email agent. So as you can see inside the email agent, we've used the OpenAI chat model again, and we've added the API and access tokens, so we could automate emails. And if you look inside the calendar, it's the exact same. We have used the OpenAI chat models, and this is the process of how we can automate and send updates on our calendars. So we've got update event, delete event, get events, and create event with attendees. So this is how you build a AI booking system for in-person viewings for real estate agents. If you like the content, please leave a comment or please like and subscribe. I'm giving away the free n8n nodes for this workflow. You'll find that in the description. If you have any questions or queries, please let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.